How to fix YouTube Playables not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if YouTube Playables like interactive video features, mini games, or in-video playable elements aren't working, it is usually due to browser, app, or account issues. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Playable requires a stable, fast connection, so switch to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data and vice versa, or restart your router or modem if connection is unstable. You can also try updating your YouTube app. Open Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iOS devices. Now search for YouTube application. And if you see an update button over there, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. And on PC, you can update your browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox to the latest version. Playables may not work on outdated versions. Now another thing you can do is try clearing the cache and data. Tap and hold on to the YouTube application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage. From here, tap on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. And on iOS, reinstall the app. No direct clear cache option is available for iOS. And if you're using browser, you can try clearing the cache, cookies, and site data for YouTube. And also disable ad blockers or browser extensions that may block interactive content. And you can also try using the incognito or another browser. So sometimes browser extensions or cache data block Playables. So you can open YouTube in incognito mode or another browser. And also check your account or region restrictions. Some YouTube Playables may be region restricted, so log in with a verified account, and if restricted, you can use a VPN to access content. Ensure that it follows the YouTube's terms, and also restart your device. And then reinstall YouTube. Uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure all features work properly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.